Guys, we're here in Holi. Check natin ang sakura na guys, cherry blossom.
Yeah, market.
They also have a lot of store guys. You can buy a lot of food. Pupuntahan sana namin yung ano guys, yung tree na ano, mga puno na color brown. Kasi hindi na daw niya panahon ngayon guys. Yeah. So tara na lang sa cherry blossom. Yeah. Hi. Ayan sila Edison guys. Yan, daming tao guys. Kahit kainitan. I hope makakita tayo ng spot na maganda para sa ating photoshoot. Ayan ang cherry blossom. Let's go inside guys. Look, they also have this one. Ayan, daming ano ka. Ipit-ipit guys. Ayan. They also have a balloon. 8-in-1 balloon. Yan sama. Labubu mo? Yung Spider-Man.
Yes, Spider-Man. Yes, Spider-Man. Spider-Man. There.
Look at the Spider-Man there.
You want Spider-Man or Labubu?
Ethan bought a Labubu balloon guys. Yeah.
Guys, Mommy, I can
130?
180.
180? Oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, so expensive. Guys, look yung pusa. Ang cute. May picture nila guys. No, ang cute oh. Okay. Guys, konti lang ng ano, cherry blossom. Ang cute ng pusa. Guys, change place tayo. We go here. Yung punong sinasabi ko guys, ayan. Wala na siyang dahon. Yan. May entrance daw guys, 60. Yeah, $60. Yan. We go inside ma.
Hello, Mama. Hello.
那个票是小孩子他们都要吗
？2个大人120。
哦，120。好，看地。
哎。
这里没有停车场。没有。等一下。
Look at inside guys. Yan, wala na siyang dahon. Oh. Look at baby. Yan. Oh. Yan, may pa-water sila dito guys. Yan, ganyan dito. Wala na lang dahon. Yan. Let's go. Ganyan yung ano niya guys, tapakan. Be careful, Ethan, ha?
Yeah.
Careful. Yeah. Yeah, may pamotor din sila dun, guys. There, there more, ano. There. Yan. Ganyan dito, guys. Sa'yo yan. Guys, wala ng dahon. Late na tayo. Slowly. Oh, need too much there na. Ethan, need too much there. Okay. Yung isa, guys. Relax na, relax. Ay. We also have a good spot here. Then we walk inside, guys. Let's see. We also have this one.
There's a motor there.
Yeah. Have a motor there. Then they also have put chair here, guys. Also have car here. Yeah. We also have a car here. Yan, guys. Ang ganda. Oh, nakaka-relax. Guys, may dala akong balon. Palaboy natin. Hindi dala ako, guys. Done. Yes, guys. Done. Yeah. 30 years old na tayo, guys. Ayan. Popost ko na lang to, guys, sa IG natin. Yun. Check nyo na lang doon. Ayan. Photoshoot muna kami, guys. Yes, dami ng tao. Kanina wala. Malilim na kasi. Si baby, guys, natulog yan. Nagpa-picture ako kay Edison, guys, para sa ating birthday.
Ikan. River. Ikan to yung river. Special river.
Meron din silang pagkanto dito, guys. Be careful na lang. They have water here. They have also this one. Go, Papa, there. Para siyang, ano, guys, ice cream. I think ice cream like this. Oh, you can also use a cart here, guys. Baby car or bicycle. Yan, natulog to, guys. Yan. Oh. Oh. They have this one, guys, here. You can also photo shoot here, guys, for a wedding like that. Look. Then this side is water na. Malamig na yung hangin niya, guys. Yes, ganda dito. Puntahan nyo dito. $60 lang yung ano niya, guys. Yung entrance. Yan. Ganda, oh. Yan. Ayun yung balon natin, guys. Yan. Hello. Maginaw na yung ano niya, guys, yung hangin. Hindi katulad kanina. Where's Ethan? Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good night na. Tension night na.
No, come.
Yeah. Hi, son.
No. No. Good morning, baby.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah.
Guys. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Go, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay! Yay! Oh, 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 oh. Yay! Yay! Let's go home.
No.
Heme?
Mommy.
Oh.
I want to go train, but the train.
Train?
There.
Yeah.
Ikan yang miam
Eh, baby po kayo, go there.
miam miam. Ikan miam miam eh. Ikan dog. Ikan miam miam.
Oh, daming cat, guys.
Mommy,
Yeah.
hug baby first, ma.
Let's
Hug
go.
baby. Meow meow, so cute. I want touch.
You wanna touch? But
Mister Toy.
look at this running.
Mommy, I want to go train with baby train. Hug baby train, eat the help.
May nagpa-practice sa mayaw, guys. Ayan. Guys, let's go na. Yeah. Dami pa rin taong dumadating. Ito rin guys, ang ganda rito. Ayan, may spot dyan. Ayan, guys, dito lang to sa sa Holy. 10 minutes away ma. 10 minutes ma. From here and to go home. How? Habi? 6 minutes only guys. Eh, may flower din dito. Sobrang lapit lang sa amin. Then 6 minutes away lang. Guys, pumutok yung zero natin. 3 na lang ang meron tayo. Pumutok yung zero. This is cool guys. Nagataitan there. Guys, cause po kami guys. Yeah, pick upin natin yung cake guys for tomorrow. Yeah. Order kami ng cake dito guys for the first time. Para matry natin yung cake. Saan na? Say hi! Hi guys! Saglit lang tayo guys. Pick upin lang natin yung cake. Sa Rations na lang sana kami o-order guys. Sabi ni Edison, sa Costco na lang try natin yung cake. For the first time. Yeah, konti lang ng tao guys. Today is Wednesday. Yeah. Konti ilang tao. Guys, dito tayo. Dito natin kukunin yung cake. Tumawag lang si Edison the other day guys. We get here the cake. Yan. Hindi na sila guys sa loob. Tanungin ni Edison guys. Sa make hapang ang bilis niyang gawin guys. Oh, a lot of strawberries. Look. Guys, ito sa ito. Nakabili na tayo ng banana and sweet corn and then the chow pan with guys, shrimp. Hi! Say hi guys. Oh, be careful. Good morning. Look guys, gagawin na ating cake. Nagka-problema daw guys kasi yung papel na order natin is hindi nila makita. Ayan, ginagawa na guys. Sanay na yung babae guys kasi ang bilis lang niya gawin. Guys, nakuha na natin yung cake natin. Ayan. Kanina, nagbi-video ako guys. Sabi, bawal. Ayan. Ayan ang ating cake guys. Ayan. This is vanilla, right? Vanilla flavor. Then, eto. May chocolate flavor din sila guys. Ayan ang design. Nag-moist na. Hindi natin makita. Ayan. May big size din sila guys. $4.99. Yeah, $4.99. And then yung cake natin guys is $3.99 lang siya. Ayan. Try natin kung masarap. Then they have a lot of tiramisu. They also have this one. Strawberry pistachio guys. The flavor.